Welcome to M2Y Global Academy.
Are you looking to elevate your career in health and safety? The NEBOSH International General Certificate, or NEBOSH IGC, is your ticket to professional recognition. It's one of the world's most respected qualifications in this field. So, what exactly is NEBOSH IGC? This certification is recognized globally, providing essential knowledge in occupational health and safety. It opens doors to numerous industries, from construction to healthcare, enhancing your credibility and employability. Many people wonder, should I take this course? If you are serious about a career in health and safety, then yes. The NEBOSH IGC is open to anyone, regardless of prior qualifications. Now, let's dive into the course structure. The NEBOSH IGC comprises two units, GIC1 and GIC2. GIC1 focuses on managing health and safety fundamentals. GIC2 covers practical risk assessments, a vital skill for any health and safety professional. What can you expect to learn? The curriculum is designed to equip you with the skills to identify workplace hazards, conduct risk assessments, and apply effective control measures. You will also gain insight into legal requirements, safety management systems, and emergency planning. But how do assessments work? GIC1 is a 24-hour open book assessment, while GIC2 requires you to conduct a practical risk assessment. Alongside these, NEBOSH has improved feedback systems, allowing you to understand your performance better. Career opportunities after achieving NEBOSH IGC are vast. Roles such as Safety Officer, HSE Officer, and Safety Engineer are just the beginning. With experience, you can progress to higher positions like HSE Manager or even independent consultant roles. Let's talk about salary growth. NEBOSH certified professionals often earn 20 to 40% more than their non-certified peers. Imagine how that salary increase can impact your life. The international job opportunities are equally impressive. NEBOSH IGC is highly sought after in places like the UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UK. This qualification could pave your way to a successful career abroad. Now, you might ask, what are the benefits of obtaining a NEBOSH IGC? Besides better salary prospects, you'll gain access to professional memberships that enhance your career credibility. The course is offered by M2Y Global Academy, renowned for its high-quality training and expert instructors. With flexible learning options, which include online classes, M2Y Global Academy is dedicated to your success. They ensure you are well prepared not only for exams, but for real-world health and safety challenges. Are you ready to take the next step towards boosting your career in health and safety? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Visit M2Y Global Academy today to start your journey with the NEBOSH IGC. Your future in health and safety starts now.
Hi all, I'm Arun Kumar. I had done my NEBOSH IGC from M2Y Global Academy. It was a great experience for me, considering barely I was new to health and safety. Right from the course inquiry to registrations, the classes schedule, even the classes, it was a well-organized session. And there was no any other delays in the classes or anything like that. It was just continued as per the schedule. And apart from that, the training sessions, the instructor was actually spot on. He has providing all the necessary documents to us for our learning and understanding everything. Have provided all the support for us. Apart from that one, I think it was a great experience from me from M2Y. And thank you so much for all the support, and thank you all.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to M2Y Global Academy for more safety training, career guidance, and professional certification updates. Contact us today to start your safety career journey.